Alright, so got the plugs. Easiest thing to check that I haven't checked yet. Gonna throw these guys in and see if it helps. Alright, swap plugs. No change. Quick little update. I checked a bunch of stuff. I added a better ground for the MSD box. Verified power and ground. Put a coil in it. Checked the other odds and ends. Still pinging. I did 100% verify it's temperature related. Put the coil on it. Took it out. Right out of the garage. Stood in it. It pulled harder than I've ever felt it pull. Felt great. Got to about 195 degrees coolant temp sensor, or coolant temperature, and broke up like it was doing before. So I believe the next step is bypass the MSD box with this trigger. I do want to say thanks. People are commenting and kind of pointing me in directions to check. I really appreciate that. It looks like I'm going to have some time this weekend to get out here and actually swap out or bypass the MSD box. I'm going to check a few wires that are behind the intake. Verify there's not too much resistance on those Deutsch connectors because the tack is jumping around. And that started at the same time the breaking up did and the pinging and all that. And I may even throw the old distributor back in it. I do have to look at if I have to change anything because I did the this is a dual sync, and I did away with the TFI and all that. So there's a few things I'm aiming to check this weekend, but I wanted to throw one out there because I've seen a few more subscribers and stuff, and people are commenting, which again is truly appreciated. We're gonna get to the bottom of it. Get to the bottom of it, why it's pinging, and so I can take it out and start enjoying it again.